Today we learn which animals live in the zoo. Zoo animals. Monkey, camel, deer, bear, giraffe, panda, tiger, elephant, lion. Thank you for watching.